Hi everyone, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. In this video we are going to give a Python challenge on list collection. Here what is this challenge about? Just deleting elements from list. But here list collection object, nothing but list class providing different functionality to remove the elements from the list. And what are the functions that I will give? So, one is a remove function. It is available in a list object by which we can remove the element, and here it is a pop function, and one more pop is taking that optional index also. Index. Next one is a clear function, and Python library is providing a keyword called delete, DEL. So, here all these four is nothing but here it is a remove function, removes specified element. Directly we need to specify the element, and here it is a list collection, allows to store duplicates also. Duplicates. Whenever element is duplicated, so which item will be deleted? That is, here it is removes first occurrence if element is duplicated, and here it is a pop means what? It removes that last element from the list by taking the index, and here it is if you specify that index, that removes index element, specified index element. Clear means what? It will removes all the elements but not list object. List object will not be removed. If you want to remove that object, if you want to deallocate the memory, this one removes object completely. So, here these are the functions. In these many ways we can remove elements. Here the task is what? Just create one list, using constructor, by calling the constructor, store some elements, and describe the functionality of all above functions logically, as nothing but technically. With one technical program, just describe all these things: how pop function execute, how remove function execute, clear, delete, everything. Just write the code, right, and show that functionality of all these functions. Okay. So, please write the code, implement the code and comment your code. Thank you.